Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma effectively. We'll start by exploring the fundamental interface and essential tools, which are crucial for efficient design. Understanding frames and artboards will help you organize your projects neatly from the beginning. Plus, mastering key keyboard shortcuts can dramatically speed up your workflow, saving you valuable time on every design task. Next, let's dive into Figma's powerful collaborative features. You can work with team members in real time, making design reviews seamless. Creating reusable components is key for maintaining consistency across all your projects, ensuring a unified look and feel. Utilizing component properties further enhances flexibility, allowing for adaptable design systems that scale effortlessly. Now, let's bring your designs to life with interactive prototyping. You can build realistic simulations of user experiences, allowing you to visualize how users will interact with your product. Defining clear user flows ensures a logical progression through your design. Testing these prototypes with actual users provides invaluable feedback, helping you refine and improve your designs before development. Finally, let's explore some advanced techniques and powerful plugins to elevate your Figma skills. Plugins can significantly extend Figma's core functionality, offering specialized tools. Organizing your files with pages and sections improves navigation and clarity for complex projects. Mastering auto layout will enable you to create responsive and adaptable designs with remarkable ease, saving you hours.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.